The next exercise we are going to see is exact function in MS Excel. The syntax for exact function in MS Excel is type equal to, then type EXACT within bracket text1 comma text2. Here I have given few examples, text1 in column E and text2 in column F. Now I want to check whether both the columns are matching, whether the text given in column E and text given in column F both are matching or not. For this we can make use of the exact function. In G column I am typing the syntax, that is type equal to, then type E5 comma F5. E5 is in first text, then F5 is in the second text. Then close the round bracket, press enter. If you get the answer as true, which means both the text are matching. Let me give one more example. In column E6, row 6, then column F, 6th row, that is cell E6 and F6, I have given the word called orange. I want to check whether both the text are matching. Then the syntax goes like this, type equal to exact E6 comma F6, close the bracket, press enter, you will be getting the output as true. Then in E7 column I have given the word ice cream, then in F7 I have given the word as ice cubes. Then the output will be false because both the text are not matching. If it is matching, the output will be true. If the outputs are not matching, the inputs are not matching, then the output will be false. One more example, E8 cell ice cream, and in F8 cell again ice cream, then the answer is true. Here Excel is a case sensitive program software. Let me give this as capital ice cream and this one small ice cream. Now here you can find in G8 column, in G8 cell, the answer, the output is false, even though both are same words but not exact words, because Excel is a case sensitive program software. So it has taken that as false, both are not matching. So this kind of exact functions can be used in password creation, because when we give password and the computers will ask us to retype the password. So in that case, when we retype the password, even if one small changes, whether it is a capital or small or vice versa, then the error message is you are not typing the correct, your passwords are not matching. So that will be the output. In this case, we can make use of this exact function. I repeat the syntax once again, type equal to, type EXACT, then within bracket give your text1 reference cell comma text2 reference cell, then close the bracket, press enter, you will be getting the output either true or false. If you are getting true, then your input, both the words are matching in the given cell, and if your output is false, then your input is not matching with both the text1 and text2. Thank you.